Hey roses! 2025 is here, and I know we're all dreaming about living our absolute best lives. But to get our dream life, we need to set the right goals. In today's video, I'll be sharing my goals for 2025 that will not only inspire you, but also help you become the girl you've always wanted to be this year. So grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's get into it. Journal every day. Practice daily affirmations. Develop a consistent morning routine. Break one bad habit, e.g., procrastination. Build a strong support system of friends. Read 12 self-help books, one per month. Take yourself on solo dates. Have a spa day at home once a month. Create a cozy, relaxing bedtime routine. Learn to say no to protect your mental health. Take regular breaks from social media. Spend time doing things that make you happy. Treat yourself to something special monthly. Keep a gratitude journal. Create your own style. Organize and declutter your wardrobe. Learn how to do makeup. Take better care of your hair. Take care of your nails. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Exercise 3 to 5 times a week, like yoga and Pilates. Eat healthy food. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Achieve your ideal body shape. Take a 10,000-step walk every day. Reduce junk food to at least once a week. Do your skincare daily for glowing skin. Limit screen time before bed. Organize all your school supplies. Get straight A's in all your classes. Develop a study schedule and stick to it. Build your resume with extracurriculars. Apply for scholarships for college. Start a side hustle or passion project. Learn a new language. Build strong relationships with teachers. Learn a new hobby. Start a YouTube channel or TikTok page. Create a playlist of your favorite songs for every mood. Join a book club or art class. Spend more quality time with your family. Plan a fun girls' day out or sleepover. Improve your communication skills. Limit toxic relationships and focus on positivity. Start a savings account for your dream future. Learn how to budget and track expenses. Sell old clothes or items you no longer use. Donate to charity. And that's it, besties. My 2025 goals to inspire you for the new year. Remember, setting goals is just the first step. The magic happens when you take action, believe in yourself, and stay consistent. Which of these goals are you adding to your list? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you're ready to manifest your dream life, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell. Let's make 2025 the year we absolutely slay together.